Hello everyone, so I'm back with my new YouTube video. As all of you must be knowing that in my previous video I discussed some numerical problems which was based on force and equation of motion, and I gave you a homework. So in this video I'm going to discuss its solution. Also, I'll be attaching the PowerPoint presentation of this video and the link of my previous videos in the description box, so you can download it from there. So let's get started. So the numericals which I am going to discuss is also based on the force and equation of motion. Let's see. I'll use highlighter. Okay. The cricket ball of mass 100 grams strikes the hand of a player with a velocity of 20 meter per second and is brought to rest in 0.01 seconds. So what you have to calculate is the force applied by the hand of the player and acceleration of the ball. So it's like imagine कि एक cricket ball था जो कि 20 मीटर पर सेकेंड से मूव कर रहा था, ठीक है, और एक क्रिकेटर ने उसे कैच किया और वो 0.01 सेकेंड में रेस्ट पे आ गया and its mass is 100 grams. So these are the things which are given, and what we need to calculate is force applied by the hand of the player and acceleration of the ball. So it's a very easy question. You must have tried it on your own. I expect this from you guys. So let's see the solution. So what is given is mass is equal to 100 gram, initial velocity u is equal to 20 meter per second, final velocity is equal to 0 meter per second. Why 0 meter per second? Because जो बॉल है वो फाइनली रेस्ट पे आ गया, therefore its final velocity will be 0 meter per second. Okay, the time taken to come to rest is 0.01 second. Okay, so these are the few things which are given, and let's see how to calculate the acceleration of the ball. So by the first equation of motion we all know v is equal to u plus at. Okay, तो यहाँ पे v क्या है? v है तुम्हारा 0, u है 20 plus a and t is 0.01. So all the other three parameters are given and we just have to determine a from here. Okay, so a will be minus 20 divided by 0.01. That gives a is equal to minus 2000 meter per second square. Okay, so why negative? Because that is a resistive force which we are applying, ठीक है. So its velocity is decreasing from 20 meter per second to 0. So there is a retardation actually. Therefore acceleration will be minus 20,000 meter per second square. Okay, now we have already calculated the second part of the question. Now we shall calculate the first part of the question. That is, we have to calculate the force applied by the hand of the player. For this we will apply F is equal to ma. Okay, F is equal to ma, and we'll convert mass into kg because we are calculating everything in SI unit, and SI unit of mass is kg. So mass will be 0.1 kg because 100 ग्राम इज इक्वल टू 0.1 kg. ठीक है, अब देखते हैं F इज इक्वल टू एम ए. तो m हो गया 0.1, a हो गया माइनस 2000 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर, तो ये हो जाएगा माइनस 200 न्यूटन. बट द आंसर विल बी 200 न्यूटन, नॉट माइनस 200 न्यूटन. ओके, because we always write the value of force in absolute term, in absolute way. Okay, नेगेटिव साइन को हम हटा देंगे और उसका बस एब्सोल्यूट आंसर लिखेंगे. ओके, क्योंकि यहाँ पे नेगेटिव साइन बस ये दिखा रहा है कि फोर्स का डायरेक्शन क्या है, लाइक इट इज रेजिस्टिव और इज इट सपोर्टिंग द मोशन. ओके, सो इन दिस केस इट इज रेजिस्टिव, देयरफॉर नेगेटिव साइन. ओके, इट इज ट्राइंग टू स्टॉप द बॉडी, therefore negative sign. So this is the answer of the first part of the question. Now let's go to second problem. Okay, so this is also easy. A body of mass 50 gram is moving with a velocity of 10 meter per second. It is brought to rest by a resistive force of 10 newton. Find retardation, and second part is distance that the body will travel after the resistive force is applied. So while solving a problem, First what you have to do is first write down all the things which are given, okay, and in the second column write down what you have to find out. Okay, so what all things are given over here are mass, which is 50 gram, velocity, initial velocity u of the body is 10 meter per second, and you must already have guessed the final velocity, which is 0 meter per second. Why? Because it has finally came to a stop. Okay, so the final velocity will be 0 and the resistive force which you are applying to stop the body is 10 Newton. So let's see the solution. Okay, so these are the things which are given. Mass is equal to 50 gram, initial velocity is equal to 10 meter per second, final velocity is equal to 0 meter per second, and the force which you applied to stop the body is 10 Newton. So let's first find the retardation of the body. That is what is asked in the first part of the question. Okay, so over here we will apply F is equal to ma. Okay, again we'll convert mass into kg. Why? Because we are calculating everything in SI unit, so mass will become 0.05 kg, because 50 ग्राम का क्या हो जाएगा 0.05 kg में हो जाएगा. तो F इक्वल टू एम ए अब हम अप्लाई करते हैं. F की वैल्यू 10 है तो यहाँ पे 10 डाल दिया. M is 0.05 and A. Okay, so from here we can calculate the value of A, or it is retardation actually. Okay, so retardation will be 200 meter per second square. Okay, why retardation? Because you are applying a resistive force to stop a moving body. It was initially moving with 10 meter per second and then it has come to a stop. Okay, so you have there is a decrease in its velocity, that is there is a retardation. If there was an increase in the velocity then there was an acceleration. Okay, तो यहाँ पे acceleration क्या हो जाएगा, just उसका negative हो जाएगा, -200 meter per second square. ठीक है. Now to find the second part of the question, what we have to find in the second part, let's see again. We have to find the distance that the body will travel after the resistive force is applied. Okay, जैसे हमने कुछ अप्लाई करा फोर्स 10 न्यूटन, वो इनिशियली 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड से मूव कर रहा था, वो धीरे धीरे करके 0 मीटर पर सेकेंड पे आ गया. तो during that decrease in the velocity it will travel some distance. Okay, that distance we have to calculate. So what we'll do over here is we'll apply the third equation of motion, which is v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Okay, तो ये अप्लाई करेंगे और यहाँ पे v क्या हो गया, v हो गया 0, u क्या था 10 into 10 प्लस 2, a क्या है -200 into s. तो यहाँ से s की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी 100/400. दैट विल गिव एन आंसर ऑफ 0.25 मीटर. ओके, तो s की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी 25 सेंटीमीटर्स. ठीक है. Therefore the body will travel a distance of 25 centimeter after the resistive force is applied. So this is the answer of the second part of the question. Okay, so this is the end of the video. In my next video I shall be discussing numericals based on torque. So yes, I'll attach the PDF of this video in my description box, so you can download it from there. It will be it will be very helpful to you guys. And also give a thumbs up to my video if you liked it, and do subscribe if you haven't already. Let's see you in the next video.